Yes, students, today's session is in our 17 group elements, in our halogens, chlorine and hydrogen chloride. Two topics we need to discuss now. Previous class, we are discussing regarding that anomalous behavior of fluorine, such a powerful oxidating agent. At the same time, chemical properties of entire 17 group elements. But today, individual molecules, that is chlorine, and followed by a most popular acid, which is we are using in our lab, that is hydrochloric acid. Okay? Yeah. Let's start. Chlorine. Chlorine. Listen. A chlorine, the word which is coming from chloro. Actually, chloro is the name which is given. Do you know that? Who's given? This name was given by chlorine. This name was given by Davy. Davy was given this name of chlorine, chloro. You know, so many names are there. Why Davy is given this name only? Davy given this name because only one reason. Because this gas color greenish yellow. Okay, this gas color greenish yellow. Okay, student. Because of greenish yellow, like chlorophyll, all greenery plants, leaves, you know, why leaves are in green color? Green. So that we called as chlorophyll. Mean chlorophyll doesn't contain in chlorine. Understand? Davy is assigned the name as chlorine because chlorine color it is greenish yellow color gas. At the same time, who discovered this chlorine? Chlorine is a gas existence discovered by Scylla. Discovered by Scylla. Understand? So this name was discovered by Scylla. At the same time, color, because of greenish yellow color, Davy was assigned this name as a chlorine. Such a wonderful chlorine, let them once you have to recollect. Chlorine, atomic number 17. And chlorine, it is a diatomic molecule. Just recollecting previous information. Chlorine, between chlorine and chlorine, do you know, student, what overlapping is there? PP overlapping is existed. Which existed? PP overlapping. And in periodic table, highest electron affinity, highest electron affinity containing element. सब periodic table में highest electron affinity containing element is definitely negative electron. Definitely कौन है? Chlorine only. At the same time, this chlorine in this halogen family, bond dissociation enthalpy BDE is higher for which element, student? Chlorine, followed by bromine, followed by fluorine, followed by iodine. Actually, students, what is the need you have to learn chlorine? That's important. Okay, we have to start preparation method, physical properties and chemical properties. What is the need? Chlorine use क्या है? Uses also I am explaining to you. But regularly, How much demand chlorine have? Look at this, student. Using chlorine, we shall prepare carbon tetrachlorate, the best non-polar solvent, the best fire extinguisher in the name of pyrene, carbon tetrachlorate. Chloroform, do you know, guys? Chloroform is the anesthetic agent. Chloroform. Chloroform is the anesthetic agent. And you can prepare DDT. What is DDT? Powerful insecticide. You know DDT. Name of the DDT. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. It's known as DDT. अरे सुनो स्टूडेंट, यूजिंग वन क्लोरीन वी कैन प्रिपेयर दिस मेनी कंपाउंड. डीडीटी है और एक कंपाउंड है विच इज यूजिंग इन वार्स, दैट इज टीयर गैस. CClO3NO2, क्लोरोपिक्रीन. क्लोरोपिक्रीन प्रिपरेशन के लिए इट्स नोन एज टीयर गैस, क्लोरोपिक्रीन. At the same time, using mychlorine, we can prepare mustard gas. Such a bad smell it is. Mustard. Mustard gas, Cl. Okay, CH2, CH2, yes, CH2, CH2, Cl. This is the name of mustard gas. For the preparation of mustard gas के लिए, we have to use chlorine. At the same time, for the preparation of gammaxine, C6, H6, Cl6, for the preparation of gammaxine, insecticide. You know, एक दो नहीं है, this many different compounds we can prepare by the help of our chlorine, which is discovered by Skila, and name assigned was Davy. I don't want to mention the year. Now, this type of chlorine gas, now we are preparing in this classroom. Okay, we are preparing now chlorine diatomic gas. Okay, student, shall we start? Yeah. So, preparation of chlorine. Yeah. This is just only small intro only. Right now, preparation, different preparation methods. At the same time, preparation methods के बाद physical properties के बाद chemical properties. Then after again, uses. What are the uses are there like this? ठीक? Look student, preparation method. First preparation method. So basically, chlorine we can prepare from HCl student, from hydrogen chloride. Chlorine we can prepare from hydrogen chloride. Focus, from HCl. Students, HCl action with CaOCl2, bleaching powder. CaOCl2. Do you know what we are getting? Yes, we are getting CaCl2. 2 moles ले लो. Calcium chloride and plus H2O and plus what is this? Cl2. We are preparing Cl2. Second one, take sodium hypochlorite, NaOCl. NaOCl, again action with HCl. Again action with HCl, 2 moles फिर से ले लो, कोई बात नहीं. Then what we are getting? We are getting rock salt, NaCl, plus H2O, plus what we are getting? Cl2, फिर से Cl2 आ गया. And second, take this HCl. इस बार you need to take 16 moles of HCl. Now this HCl reaction with potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Do you know what we are getting? यहाँ पे मेरे को KCl मिलेगा, MnCl2 मिलेगा, followed by फिर से H2O मिलेगा. At the same time, the most essential compound we are waiting for chlorine also obtained. You can balance the equation, कोई बात नहीं. You can do. At the same time, take 14 moles of HCl and reaction with K2Cr2O7. What is this compound name? Potassium dichromate. So what we are getting? Yes, again getting KCl plus CrCl3, balance karo, koi baat nahi, plus H2O and plus what we are getting? Chlorine gas is liberated. At the same time, you can take MnO2, manganese dioxide plus इस बार 4 moles of HCl bilog. Take 4 moles of HCl. What we are getting? We are getting MnCl2 plus 2 moles of H2O. Here, this many methods are there, but this is method number 1. Method number 1 for the preparation of what? Chlorine gas. Case number 1, hydrogen chloride reaction with bleaching powder, calcium chloride, hypochlorite. Second, HCl reaction with sodium hypochlorite. Third one, HCl action with potassium permanganate. You people know that potassium permanganate is a powerful oxidating agent. So HCl के मिलाकर -1 बन गया 0. It's the oxidating property of KMnO4, reducing property of your HCl. Similarly, dichromate plus HCl, क्या बन गया? CrCl3 and Cl2 gas. Similarly, you can take HCl, MnO2, क्या बन गया? We are getting MnCl2 plus 2H2O. Actually, what is the target? Yes, our target is to prepare chlorine. No, I forgotten. You need to inform. Yes, we are getting preparation of Cl2. Method number 1, finish. Second method, this is very important, Decaun's process. Shall I rub this? Yeah. Now method number 2, Decaun's process. In Decaun's process also, we are preparing our chlorine only, but very different. Case second method, Decaun's process. Decaun's process. Students, in this Decaun's process, HCl just upon heating with excess amount of oxygen. HCl heating with oxygen. Just listen, student. I am not saying extra thing. HCl reaction with O2. HCl reaction with O2 in presence of CuCl2 at 723 Kelvin, like 460 temperature degrees. इतना ज्यादा टेम्परेचर में HCl कैसे बनेगा? It's converting into H2O plus. Yes, Cl2 gas is liberated. आपका कन्वेंस के लिए ये वाला 4 moles ले लो भाई, 2 moles of water बाहर जाएगा and chlorine, 2 moles of chlorine is going outside. This is the method we called as Decaun's process. Decaun's process is a commercial method for the preparation of which molecule? Chlorine. Decaun's process. Second method, Nelson process. In this Nelson process, in Nelson method, actually, students, we are using this Nelson method for the preparation of caustic soda के लिए. Caustic soda preparation के लिए we are using this Nelson method. But we need in this chapter what demands? This chapter demands preparation of chlorine, not the preparation of sodium hydroxide. So whatever byproduct, the byproduct we are using now. Case sodium chloride brain solution. Brain solution electrolysis. You know what we are getting? Sodium hydroxide plus what the byproduct? Chlorine is the byproduct. Look at this beauty of the reaction. So here basically Nelson cell mein anode, definitely our graphite. Anode is graphite. And cathode perforated steel tube. Cathode is a perforated steel tube and anode is a graphite. When upon electrolysis, what we are getting? आपको caustic soda, chlorine gas and of course hydrogen gas liberated छोड़ दो. Where we are getting chlorine? If anyone asking to you, be ready to reply. Sirji, chlorine is liberated from where, sir? From cathode. Sorry. Chlorine is liberated from where mean? From graphite. Graphite, where anode graphite, wahan pe what we are getting? Chlorine is liberated. These are the methods we have to prepare chlorine in laboratory. And one more thing. I said previously, fluorine is a powerful oxidating agent. सभी को जानता है. So fluorine when on action with HCl 2 moles. So fluorine is a powerful oxidating agent. When reaction with HCl, what we are getting? Hydrogen fluoride plus क्या मिलेगा? Cl2 मिल जाएगा. That's it. These all are preparation methods of which one? Chlorine. Say diatomic greenish yellow color gas preparation completed. Now after that उनका physical properties followed by chemical properties. ठीक है? Shall we start? Physical properties of which molecule? Chlorine. Yeah. So preparation methods over. After preparation method, next one it is chemical properties. Students, very easy student, start writing this many reaction. Yes, I know. This many reactions I am given, but till if you are practicing properly NCERT textbook, inorganic chemistry, easiest content than ever. Trust me. A very easy topic. Understand? Some of the students in mindset they are thinking that, sir, because of the situation, is there any NEET ka syllabus maybe any changes? Mean NEET syllabus and JEE syllabus there is no change, students. You need to read NCERT everything because inorganic chemistry ke liye the best book it is NCERT book only, no not any other. If you are revising JDL or any complication, my suggestion for reference point of view, open that reference copy. For completely practicing purpose, is not a good book for you. Best book it is always my suggestion. It is NCERT textbook. Please. Okay. Now, physical properties. Physical properties. Physical properties of which gas? Chlorine gas. Okay. So chlorine preparation physical property में, yes, it is a greenish yellow gas having pungent smell, having pungent smell, and interesting thing, 2.25 times, I think 2.5 times, sorry, 1 minute, it is I need to see that NCERT. It is how many times heavier? Two to five times heavier than 2 to 5 times heavier than air. Very important. 2 to 5 times heavier than air. At the same time, its boiling point. Its boiling point 239 Kelvin. It boils at 239 Kelvin and it is soluble in water as well as carbon disulfide. At the same time, because of its high critical temperature, chlorine easily liquefiable gases. Okay, student? So that chlorine can easily liquefied as green liquid, greenish yellow liquid. Understand? These all are physical properties of which molecule? Chlorine. Okay, student? Physical properties are over. After physical properties, that is chemical properties. Okay, yeah. Now फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हो गया. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के बाद नेक्स्ट वन इट इज केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. या केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. Let's start. First chemical property, reaction with alkali. Very important. When chlorine reaction with cold dilute NaOH, when chlorine reaction with cold dilute NaOH, we are getting here NaOCl plus NaCl. What is NaOCl? NaOCl means sodium hypochlorite plus sodium chloride, as well as we are getting क्या है? Water molecule. The speciality in this reaction, chlorine is 0 and here chlorine is +1 and here chlorine is -1. It's an example of disproportionation reaction. Second reaction, same chlorine when on action with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide. Hot concentrated sodium hydroxide. Do you know what we are getting here? We are getting NaCl and NaClO3. And again, what the possibility? Water also obtained. NaClO3. When it is happen, when chlorine is reaction with sodium hydroxide, when chlorine is reaction with sodium hydroxide, and we are getting the compound, we are getting the compound like this. Okay, number of oxygens 3 already completed, so you need to take 3. Kel khatam. This is the first chemical property, reaction with alkali. Second chemical property now, reaction with ammonia. Second chemical property, reaction with ammonia. बेटा बहुत सिंपल है ये वाला भी. So a reaction with ammonia में मान लो ammonia plus chlorine. There are few conditions are there. Ammonia reaction with chlorine. Actually in cinematic way, you know, we are creating clouds like that. We can create यहाँ पे in this lab I can create completely white color smoke. Very easy. कैसे? एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में अमोनिया ले लो and दूसरा टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्लोरीन ले लो. both are gases. Both gases, whenever ऐसे mixing together, we are getting white color. क्या है? White color, smoke. White smoke we are getting. Why the white smoke we are getting? Say students, because of formation of ammonium chloride. ठीक है, दैट रिएक्शन आई एम एक्सप्लेन टू यू. सो अमोनिया एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में, क्लोरीन एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में पकड़ो. लाइक HCl एक्चुअली बेटर वन इट इज. ओके, HCl के लिए इट यूजफुल, बट राइट नाउ दिस रिएक्शन. ओके, सो व्हाई दिस ट्रेन इज कमिंग. क्या है मार्कर? नाउ reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. So ammonia plus chlorine, students, conditions are applied. If you are taking excess amount of ammonia, do you know what we are getting? We are getting the product, it is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. If same ammonia, when reaction with chlorine, if excess amount of, for example, आपके पास excess amount of chlorine है तो, and we are getting the compound, it is NCl3. NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. Okay student, NCl3 we are getting. See the conditions, condition excess amount of ammonia plus chlorine क्या मिलेगा? ammonium chloride. At the same time excess amount of chlorine. So excess amount of chlorine, 8 moles of ammonia. At the same time, we need to take 3 moles of chlorine, ammonium chloride plus what we are getting? Nitrogen gas. Ammonium chloride plus nitrogen gas we are getting. यहाँ पे ammonia plus chlorine and we are getting NCl3 plus and HCl मिलेगा. छोड़ दो. This is reaction with ammonia. Second one, reaction with carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, and of course sulfur dioxide. ठीक है. So reaction with carbon monoxide plus chlorine, very dangerous toxic gas. That is, what is this? Phosgene. क्या मिलेगा भाई लोग? Phosgene we are getting. Whereas nitric oxide plus chlorine, what we are getting? In this case, we are getting the compound NOCl. Repeat once again. What is this compound name? NOCl. This is also called as nitrosyl chloride. Nitrosyl chloride can also called as Tildan's reagent. It is also called as Tildan's reagent. Generally students, actually this is the concept of nitrosyl chloride. Where it is obtained? Aqua regia में. So 3 parts of HCl, 1 parts of nitric acid, concentrated वाला, दोनों मिलाकर we are getting nitrosyl chloride. This is the specialty. गोल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स के लिए, प्लैटिनम डिसॉल्विंग के लिए वी आर यूजिंग aqua regia. बट aqua regia में क्या मिलेगा? ये वाला आ रहा है टिल्डॉन्स रिएजेंट, नाइट्रोसिल क्लोराइड. ठीक है भाई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड प्लस Cl2, व्हाट इज द कंपाउंड वी आर गेटिंग भाई लोग? उनका नाम क्या है? सल्फ्यूराइल क्लोराइड. व्हाट इट इज? sulfuryl chloride we are getting. SO2 Cl2, sulfuryl chloride. So this is reaction with carbon monoxide and nitric oxide followed by carbon dioxide. And after that, next, chemical properties of our chlorine. Next one, wait student, for oxidizing property, bleaching property, you need to wait. First of all, I need to finish simple reaction. Understand? Right now, okay, if it is reaction with किसके साथ? reaction with hydrogen, very important, reaction with hydrogen, its compounds. मान लो hydrogen plus chlorine in presence of light, look this, hydrogen plus chlorine in presence of light, क्या मिलेगा? HCl, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एसिडिटी, उनका स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिडिक नेचर, Ka value 10/7. When you know HCl when dissolving in water, please remember HCl when dissolving in water, it is a strong acid, please remember. And next, suppose instead of hydrogen मेरे पास हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड है, मेरे पास क्या है बेटा? हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड है, एक्शन विथ क्लोरीन. डू यू नो स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? अगेन 2 moles of HCl plus colloidal sulfur मिलेगा. 2 moles of HCl plus colloidal sulfur you can get. This is what I am saying, reaction with hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen के बाद reaction with hydrocarbons, reaction with hydrocarbon. See, it is again repeated property, student, because yesterday class I said hydrocarbon with halogen, same chemical property, again I am repeating, not special. ठीक है, look at this, take a methane, एक्शन विथ क्लोरीन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट. भाई लोग प्लीज याद करो, इट्स ए फ्री रेडिकल substitution reaction, free radical substitution reaction. Methane plus chlorine, what we are getting? Methyl chloride, methylidine chloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. This is what I'm saying. It's a free radical substitution reaction. Similarly, आपके पास if you have a ethylene है, ethylene plus Cl2 in presence of CCl4, it's a electrophilic addition reaction. What is the getting the product? Say student, उनका नाम क्या है? 1,2 dichloroethane, 1,2 dichloroethane. Understand? Similarly, you have a benzene C6H6 plus Cl2 in presence of FeCl3. It is a ESR. What is ESR? Electrophilic substitution reaction. पता है क्या मिलेगा? Chlorobenzene. What the students? It's a chlorobenzene. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, same benzene reaction with 3 moles of chlorine, okay, in presence of light, that to sunlight. Benzene plus 3 moles of chlorine, what we are getting? Yes, the compound we are getting C6H6Cl6. Repeat, C6H6Cl6. मतलब it's a free radical addition reaction. It is a free radical addition reaction. Free radical addition reaction में क्या होगा? Benzene changes to gammaxene. Benzene changes to gammaxene. ठीक है? Right now, क्लोरीन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी में इस बार रिएक्शन विथ मेटल एंड रिएक्शन विथ नॉन मेटल के साथ हाउ इट इज रेस्पॉन्डिंग. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, या टिल नाउ व्हाट आर द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हो गया, मतलब हाइड्रोजन के साथ हो गया, हाइड्रोकार्बन के साथ हो गया, एट द सेम टाइम क्लोरीन का केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में अल्कली के साथ, अमोनिया के साथ, you know, important chemical properties are over. Right now, reaction with metal. Yeah, you can take Mg, magnesium plus chlorine. You know student what we are getting? MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Hurry are super. Okay. For example, take it aluminium plus chlorine. क्या आता है? AlCl3, aluminium chloride we are getting. क्या मिलेगा student? Aluminium chloride. For example, take a calcium plus chlorine. What we are getting? CaCl2. CaCl2. Like that, you can take few non-metals also. P4 plus 3 moles of chlorine. What we are getting? PCl3. Similarly, sulfur plus chlorine. क्या मिलेगा? S2Cl2. बैलेंस करो 4PCl3 3 4 12 6Cl2. Okay, sulfur plus chlorine, what we are getting? S2Cl2. Sulfur. What is that? Sulfur. This is only compound no for the preparation of mustard gas के लिए we are using the sulfur monohalides. ठीक है student? MgCl2, AlCl3, calcium chloride, ferric chloride. These all are the compound directly we are getting by the action of what? Chlorine के साथ. ठीक है बेटा? Now, last but not least, oxidizing and bleaching power of which molecule? Chlorine. Okay, oxidizing and bleaching power of, oxidizing and as well as bleaching power of which one? Chlorine. ठीक है, so bleaching मतलब okay, bleaching के लिए मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. Look at this, whenever chlorine dissolving in water, all of you focus this reaction. Whenever chlorine dissolving in water, क्या क्या मिलेगा? Hypochlorous acid plus HCl. Okay, this hypochlorous acid फिर से decomposes HCl plus nascent oxygen. भाई लोग सुनो, this nascent oxygen is responsible for number 1 bleaching agent, and as well as this nascent oxygen responsible for oxidizing agent. Understand? Okay, for bleaching property के लिए, oxidizing property के लिए, who is responsible? This is the reaction when dissolving in water. Understand? Understand? When dissolving in water, क्या मिलेगा? Nascent oxygen. So decolorization के लिए we are using what? Bleaching powder. No, sorry. Bleaching कौन? Liquid chlorine. Disinfectant. घर में water tank purification or swimming pool. In swimming pool में chlorine, why we are using chlorine? We are using for what? Disinfectant. क्यों? Nascent oxygen liberated student. So you have to remember chlorine when dissolving in water, HCl is available so that only your eyes are burning when you are swim. So that after swimming immediately you have to bath separately. Reason HCl presentation. प्लीज रिमेंबर. ठीक है, यस, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी. उनका ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में एक छोटा सा सिंपल थिंग, दैट इज मान लो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. लुक एट, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड बनेगा सल्फेट आयन. ओके, S2O3 -2 बनेगा सल्फेट आयन. कौन? Who do this? Our bleaching agent, chlorine only. Chlorine dissolving in water can do this many work. ठीक है, iron +2 बनेगा iron +3. आयरन +2 बन जाएगा आयरन +3. अच्छा, I2 आयोडीन बनेगा HiO3. आयोडीन बनेगा H. These all are what? These all are oxidizing properties of which molecule? Chlorine. Cup, when it is going to oxidize, when it is dissolving in water, it releases nascent oxygen. So because of nascent oxygen, it is act as a powerful bleaching agent as well as oxidizing agent. Powerful bleaching as well as oxidizing agent. ठीक है student? Any more doubt? ठीक है, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड सल्फेट, हाइपो बनेगा सल्फेट, आयरन +2 बनेगा आयरन +3, I2 बनेगा HiO3. These all are what? Powerful. What? Powerful oxidizing property. Powerful oxidizing properties of which compound student? Chlorine. Understand? Nothing special. ठीक है. Now uses. Now uses. Yeah, students, now uses of our chlorine. Number 1 use, it is purification of water. So water purification के लिए, क्योंकि chlorine having the property great germicidal function. Understand? to kill microorganisms in our drinking water. Very, 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 very less amount of chlorine it kills. Students, nowadays we have a RO, different systems are there. Previously, now also, now why you say previously, now also government is mixing chlorine in a water tanker. That chlorine, we are at that time water taste also changes because of excess amount of chlorine. Point number one. Second one, bleaching agent for fabric, paper, rayon, and you can take leather also. So basically, student, fabric. For example, this is the waste cloth I have. This particular waste cloth, when I soak in a chlorine water, do you know, unka color completely changes to white. But don't try in home, क्योंकि chlorine dissolving in water matlab HCl liberated. HCl is damaging the fabric also. So that what I am saying, HCl is a bleach. It bleaches. Color changes, okay, mainly it bleaching agent, ठीक है. At the same time, paper white color क्यों आता है, मतलब again our chlorine only. And third one, disinfectant and as well as germicidal function. Student, nowadays in this situation, which color, which compound using, आपको जानता है ना, bleaching powder. This corona, this pandemic disease, you know what they are doing. Government of India and all government of Odisha, what they are doing, they are spraying bleaching powder, they are spraying sodium hypochlorite solution. क्यों? Because it is a disinfectant. Disinfectant मतलब it is kill microorganisms from non-living areas. याद करो, it's a powerful disinfectant. Oxidant अभी बोला था. When it is oxidant, क्योंकि H2O plus Cl2 which converting into, jaldi bol, 2HCl plus nascent oxygen. So that I am saying it is a powerful oxidant. At the same time, using my chlorine, we can prepare carbon tetrachloride. Startingly I mentioned chloroform and Vestron C2Cl6. It's called as Vestron. Vestron is industrial solvent. DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, one of the powerful insecticide in India till we are using. Reason hai, it is powerful long lasting action. At the same time, problem also there, it is contaminating our water bodies. DDT and chloropicrin formula CCl3 NO2, short and cute we called as tear gas making के लिए. At the same time, phosgene, toxic gas COCl2, phosgene preparation. At the same time, gamaxine C6H6Cl6. It is also insecticide, ant killer जैसे domestic purpose also we are using this gamaxine preparation. For the preparation of gamaxine also, which compound using and which one? Yes, and one more compound I forget and biolog, CaOCl twice, CaCl2, CaOH twice, dot 2H2O, none other than bleaching powder. Bleaching powder preparation के लिए कौन सा chemical using student? Chlorine we are using. Understand? एक नहीं, this many uses are there. Regarding this more information, read NCERT textbook, page number 198. NCERT page number 198 में this uses more, it's already given. If you want to read uses properly, it is available NCERT textbook page number 198. ठीक है student, don't forget, this is what I am saying. This is what preparation, use, physical properties, chemical properties of क्लोरीन विच इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय स्कीले। ठीक है, और एक केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी है फॉरगेट इन द फ्लो। मान लो मेरे पास पोटाशियम आयोडाइड और पोटाशियम ब्रोमाइड, if I have, are you getting, if I have potassium iodide or as well as potassium bromide, if I have, this is action with chlorine. Okay, do you know what we are getting? KCl and KCl plus I2 plus Br2. This is also one of the chemical property. At the same time, one more chemical property, lime water action with Cl2, CaOCl twice plus CaCl2 bleaching powder preparation के लिए also we are using what guys? क्या है? Chlorine we are using. This is it. What? Chlorine. Understand? No more doubts. ठीक है, क्लोरीन के बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इट इज हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड। ठीक है, या नाउ students, next topic, last topic today, that is HCl. This name it is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Okay. When it is dissolving in water, just listen. When it is dissolving in water, when it is dissolving in water, like HCl plus water and H3O plus and Cl minus, Ka value 10/7. So when upon dissolving water, then only we consider as a hydrochloric acid. So look at this. Here hydrogen chloride I said, but when I say hydrochloric acid, when HCl dissolving in water, itna Ka सुनो बेटा 10/7 मतलब it is strong acid. Actually, who identified this HCl? In 1648, Glauber. In 1648, Glauber was first identified this HCl molecule. Students, HCl का boiling point, everybody listen, HCl का boiling point 189 Kelvin. And melting point, sorry boys and girls, freezing point it is 159 Kelvin. आपके लिए छोटा सा ट्रिक जैसे याद करो, 189 159, क्लोरीन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑल्सो 99 कॉमन 8 plus 5 13. अंडरस्टैंड? सो 13 मतलब 1/1 2 239 केल्विन क्लोरीन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, जस्ट रिमेंबरिंग के लिए बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 189, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट 159 केल्विन. कौन है स्टूडेंट? HCl. ठीक है सर, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दिस HCl? यार HCl प्रिपरेशन के लिए इतना एफर्ट नहीं है. H2 plus Cl2 in presence of HNO. बताओ what we are getting? HCl. बढ़िया, we can prepare HCl easily. Second method, an important method, that is rock salt. What is this? Rock salt reaction with sulfuric acid. What we are getting? Sodium bisulfate plus HCl. Till you are not satisfied. Now ठीक है, और एक बार सोडियम बाइसल्फेट पकड़ो भाई, एक्शन विथ सोडियम क्लोराइड. पता है क्या मिलेगा? Na2SO4 plus HCl. Understand? This HCl we can concentrated or dried with किसके साथ? Concentrated sulfuric acid. This is the way we are preparing which compound? HCl. So basically boys and girls, HCl के बीच में sp overlapping is present. Which one is present student? sp overlapping. मतलब HCl is a liquid. HCl is a liquid. The problem क्या है? No chance of hydrogen bonding, so that it is easily volatile liquid. इसीलिए look at this guys, 189 Kelvin का boil होगा. मतलब you can imagine HCl it is, but till it is existing in liquid state. If you asking to me, reason simple है. What is the reason? HCl के बीच में dipole attractions are there, but no chance of hydrogen bonding. Which overlapping is there? sp overlapping. Now this our HCl molecule का preparation हो गया. Uses? No. What is that? Chemical properties we need to discuss. ठीक है, preparation methods immediately we need to discuss. क्या students? Chemical properties. ठीक है, अरे यार simple यार. Chemical property number 1 for the HCl, reaction with oxides and hydroxides. Respond बेटा. Oxides and hydroxides और क्या? Carbonates and bicarbonates. Let's take M2O. It's an oxide. This oxide action with HCl. Do you know what we are getting? आपको MCl plus H2O. फ्यूज्ड क्लोराइड्स मिलेगा. दैट आई एम सेइंग. फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास हाइड्रोक्साइड है प्लस HCl. बताओ व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? फ्यूज्ड क्लोराइड प्लस क्या मिलेगा? H2O. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक ए कार्बोनेट M2CO3 प्लस HCl. बता दीजिए MCl प्लस H2O प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके सामने MHCO3 प्लस HCl. व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? सेम MCl प्लस H2O प्लस कार्बन. सी सारा रिएक्शन में क्या आ गया? मेटल क्लोराइड्स आ गया. फ्यूजन मेटल क्लोराइड. दिस इज व्हाट? केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1. सेकेंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी, रिएक्शन विथ अमोनिया. कोई बात नहीं. अमोनिया इज ए लुई बेस एंड HCl, अमोनिया प्लस HCl दोनों मिलाकर क्या मिलेगा? अमोनियम क्लोराइड मिलेगा. What you can get? You can get ammonium chloride. Understand? Similarly, you can take aromatic amine plus HCl. What we are getting? Anilinium chloride. बता दीजिए भाई लोग. Anilinium chloride. It's called as ammonium chloride. White color fumes. Ammonium chloride. White color fumes. It is a anilinium chloride. Chemical property number 2. And third chemical property, none other than तीसरा chemical property with our HCl. तीसरा chemical property is Decans process. In Decans process, HCl when on action with O2 in presence of CuCl2 at 723 Kelvin, what we are getting? Chlorine plus water. And next chemical property, it is using for preparation of say chlorine, preparation of chlorine like SeAOCl twice plus HCl and NaOCl plus HCl and KMnO4 plus HCl. ठीक है, what we are getting? CaCl2 plus Cl2 मिलेगा plus water. At the same time NaCl plus Cl2 plus water. एंड यहाँ पे KCl प्लस MnCl2 प्लस H2O प्लस Cl2. Students, further query exactly half an hour before I'm explained to you preparation methods of chlorine. You need to check balancing equation. Half an hour before I said you need to check. Understand? These all are chemical properties of which molecule? HCl. And next, a most important chemical property, it is preparation of aqua regia. Preparation of which one, student? Aqua regia. Very, very important. Preparation of aqua regia. Aqua regia. So aqua regia में three parts of concentrated HCl and one part of concentrated HNO3. These two combination we called as aqua regia. Understand? ये दोनों combination में what we are getting? Nitrosyl chloride. It is decomposes in NO dot and Cl dot. Okay, now this Cl dot radical action with gold AuCl4 minus मिलेगा. This radical action with platinum PTCl6 minus 2. So ये gold and platinum जैसे compound dissolving के लिए which compound we are using? A Goldsmith was using which compound? Aqua regia. NCERT textbook में perfectly balancing equations are given. Now I have to write. Repeat once again. What is aqua regia? Aqua regia मतलब three parts of concentrated HCl and one part of which one? Which one? One part of HNO3. दोनों मिलाकर the combination we called as aqua regia. What do we say? Aqua regia. Look at this. I just said to you balancing equation. ठीक है बेटा? Now I am giving the balancing equations only. Gold Au plus 4H plus 4Cl minus plus NO3 minus दोनों मिलाकर AuCl4 माइनस. ओके, AuCl4 माइनस कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लस क्या क्या मिलेगा? टिल्डांस NO प्लस H2O. दैट्स इट. द पहला रिएक्शन किसके साथ? गोल्ड के साथ. नेक्स्ट वन, गोल्ड होने के बाद C3PT प्लैटिनम प्लस 16H plus 4NO3 minus plus 18Cl minus which gives rise to क्या मिलेगा? What मिलेगा? 3PtCl6 minus 2. 3PtCl6 minus 2 plus 4NO plus 4NO plus H2O. Please note it down, this reaction. This is aqua regia के साथ pure noble metal gold and platinum forming complex PtCl6 minus 2 and AuCl4 minus. This is what I am saying, aqua regia and its chemical properties. Student, look at this mechanism, free radical mechanism. You need to concentrate. Free radical mechanism also given to you. किसके साथ? Aqua regia. You know HCl not only for using aqua regia, organic chemistry में NaNO2 plus HCl दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन HNO2 नाइट्रस acid. Repeat, nitrous acid, nitrous acid. This nitrous acid diazotization reaction के लिए यूजफुल कंपाउंड बेटा CHCl का यूज है, ठीक है। और एक यूज भी है, क्या है, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड HCl प्लस एनहाइड्रस zinc chloride. This combination we called as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent for what purpose? Identification of tertiary, secondary, primary alcohol determination के लिए we are using. कौन है again? Our concentrated HCl. Understand students? This is what HCl is completed. Okay, uses. No, what the uses are there? Uses is basically manufacture of ammonium chloride. NCERT book पर clearly mention manufacture of ammonium chloride for the extracting glue from bones. Please remember, extracting glue, you know, bones में glue है ना, वो glue extraction के लिए. At the same time, it is a laboratory reagent as well as it is using in medicinal purpose. Lab reagent using as medicinal purpose. This is what HCl. Once again, just a small recap of today's class. Okay, all of you ready? Focus. Today once again a small recap of Sara, chlorine and HCl. Chlorine, which is first discovered by Skille and name assigned by Davy, right? Chlorine is a yellowish green color gas. Chlorine 2 to 5 times heavier than air. Chlorine soluble in water as well as carbon disulfide. ठीक है, chlorine का boiling point 239 Kelvin. Okay, chlorine how to prepare? Chlorine we can prepare. Number one, Decans process. What is Decans process? HCl plus O2. क्या मिलेगा? क्या मिलेगा? क्लोरीन मिलेगा प्लस वाटर, छोड़ दो. नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट मेथड, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर और सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड और KMnO4 और K2Cr247 लाइक पावरफुल ऑक्सीडेटिंग एजेंट रिएक्शन विद आवर HCl, क्या मिलेगा? क्लोरीन गैस मिलेगा. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. एंड द नेक्स्ट मेथड from the Nelson cell, electrolysis of sodium chloride. Electrolysis of sodium chloride means brain solution. What we are getting at anode, chlorine gas is liberated. Yes, what is over? Preparation methods are over. Next we need to concentrate chemical properties. Chemical property, main chemical property, alkali के साथ alkali, NaOH, cold के साथ NaOCl, hot के साथ NaClO3. ये दोनों याद करो. Next one, chlorine plus excess amount of ammonia, ammonium chloride plus nitrogen gas. Student, I have forgotten one part. Excess amount of ammonia plus chlorine क्या मिलेगा? अमोनियम क्लोराइड. बट सेम रिएक्शन फ्लोरीन के साथ आपको केवल नाइट्रोजन गैस ओनली मिलेगा. ये वाला बीज रिमेंबर, अमोनिया प्लस फ्लोरीन, अमोनिया प्लस फ्लोरीन, अमोनिया प्लस फ्लोरीन, क्या मिलेगा? मीन नाइट्रोजन गैस वी आर गेटिंग. अंडरस्टैंड? एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ अमोनिया प्लस फ्लोरीन, व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग मीन से कॉन्फिडेंटली नाइट्रोजन गैस, नो चांस ऑफ अमोनियम फ्लोराइड. दिस इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, अमोनिया के साथ रिएक्शन हो गया. Then after chlorine का, it's a bleaching agent. कैसे? Chlorine dissolving in water, hypochlorous acid followed by nascent oxygen. That is also important. And after that chlorine metal के साथ sodium plus chlorine, sodium chloride, iron plus chlorine, FeCl3, aluminum chlorine, like that. And after that next क्या है? What's next for chlorine के लिए? Chlorine is a wonderful oxidating agent. I said chlorine plus potassium iodide, chlorine plus potassium bromide, आपको iodine and bromine is both are liberated and we have to prepare bleaching powder के लिए. And mainly uses of chlorine. Chlorine is a powerful oxidant. Chlorine is a germicidal function. Chlorine is a disinfectant. Chlorine is also using as for what purpose? What purpose? Purification of water and preparation of chloropicrin, DDT and chloropicrin, DDT at the same time, or क्या है? Sorry, gamaxin, phosgene, mustard gas, like that chemical preparation we are using chlorine guys. That's over. Cl2. Cl2 होने के बाद HCl. HCl is Glauber 1648, I think so. 1648 Glauber is identified this HCl. HCl also greenish color molecule. HCl when dissolving in water, then only we called it hydrochloric acid. Strongest acid when dissolving in water only. Please underline my point. Strongest acid when dissolving in water only. Okay. HCl how to prepare? HCl we can prepare by the help of rock salt, sodium chloride plus sulfuric acid. you are getting HCl. That is the main best method. और simple method क्या है? H2 plus Cl2 दोनों मिलाकर क्या मिलेगा? HCl. So many organic chemical reaction, byproduct is HCl only. Understand? HCl now उनका physical properties. It freezes 159 Kelvin. It boils at 189 Kelvin. HCl undergo sp2 overlapping. It's a liquid, of course liquid, but easily volatile liquid. याद करो, easily volatile liquid. Chemical properties point of view, using HCl, we can prepare chlorine gas. Initially I said. At the same time, HCl plus ammonia, ammonium chloride is available. At the same time, 3 parts of concentrated HCl, 1 part of HNO3 we called as aqua regia. Aqua regia का काम क्या है? To form complex with gold and platinum like noble metals or forms. Understand? This is it regarding HCl and also uses. I said NCERT. Tomorrow's class, matlab tomorrow session we have to discuss 2 topics are there. Almost 17 is complete actually as per NCERT. 2 topics are left. One is interhalogen compound and second one oxy acids. Okay guys, thank you.